Okay, so what's happening every time we add? So first we added, you're right, we could write this as 3/9. And then it was 3/9 plus 4 times 3 over 81. And then it was plus 4 times 4 times 3 over 27 times 27. So first it was 3 times 3. Then it was 9 times 9. Then it was 27 times 27.
So maybe the next one will be 81 times 81.
Okay, so the next one we think might have an 81, 1 over 81 times 1 over 81. And why does that make sense from the geometry?
Well, because the side lengths would be 1 over 81.
Okay, the side lengths would be 1 over 81. So we see that term from the triangles.
Yeah.
And then you might have 4 times 4 times 4 times 3.
And then 4 times 4 times 4 times 3. Okay? Why am I getting these multiplications by 4 every time?
Well, because you're dividing like the sides into smaller sides, so like this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you have 4 of those, and then you have 4 of those, and then you have 3 of those.
Yeah, you can almost look, well, let's go right to the beginning. At step 1 is sort of different. When I go, from going from step 1 to step 2, step 1 to step 2, I don't add 4 of anything. I just add 3 of something.
We have 3 of those triangles.
Yeah, but the next step, I actually do add 4 of something. If every side
is split into 4 segments
and every side gets a new triangle.
2, 3, 4, and then
you'd be adding
1, 2, 3, 4, and then
4.
That's the next side.
You're getting 4 on each of these, and you have 4 of those.
Yeah.
At least on that
The
side.
sides every side gets a new triangle, and the sides are getting these 4s in them.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
So, what's different about this one is the pattern isn't the same right from the beginning. The first step, I get this extra 1/3. But after that, I'm always multiplying by 4 and dividing by
a multiple 3, power 3.
Yeah, power of 3. So it goes like this. The first one was, we said that 1/3 was really 3/9.
Yeah. So that would be.
And then the next one was 4 times 3 over 81. And the next one was 4 times 4 times 3 over
27 times 27.
Yeah, 27 times 27. So maybe I should, instead of writing 9, maybe I should just write 3 times 3.
That should be 9 times 9.
9 times 9. And so what's this next one going to be?
It'll be 4 times 4 times 4 times 3 over 81 times 81.
Yeah, over 81 squared. And what's the next one going to be?
4 times
4 4s times 3 over 243 squared.
Okay. And so when I go, starting not on the first step, but starting on this, going from step 2 to step 3 to step 4, what do I multiply by to go from one term to the next?
You multiply by 3. So on the bottom you multiply by 3 times 3.
Yeah.
And on the top you multiply by 4.
Yeah. So every time I just multiply by 4/9.
And
that is less than a half. So
that means
it's gonna
the amount you add is going to decrease
and converge to 0.
Oh, it's interesting that you say that it's less than a half, because I'm getting these sums every time, and you already know that 1 plus a half plus a 4th plus an 8th goes to
2.
2. Now I'm going to have, if I do it with my 4/9, I'm going to have 1 plus 4/9
This is going to be less.
Plus 16 over 81 plus, this is going to be less than that.
Less than 2.
So actually, you know it's, well, I shouldn't say you know, it looks like it's going to be less than 2.
Yeah, but weird infinite series.
Yeah, weird things happen with infinite series, so we do have to be careful.
Yeah.
But it sure does look like it's going to be less than 2.
Yeah.
Now, it's a little more complicated because we're not actually starting at 1, we're starting at a third, but I can factor out that 1/3.
Yeah.
But let's see what happens with this series now.
Okay.
All right.